Enable the Bluetooth on your device. Please update the Cleer Plus app to the latest version in the App Store. Once the earbuds have paired successfully with your device, open the Cleer Plus app. The app will automatically detect the ARC4 Plus connected to your device. Once connected, you can monitor the battery status of your earbuds, control calls and music playback with head gestures, customize your EQ modes and touch settings. Explore extra features like hearing care, sedentary reminder, wallpaper setting, find my earbuds, and factory reset. Download the Cleer Plus app and unlock more powerful features for your ARC4 Plus.